idea of starting Brandevise back in 2020 was that right now is the time when the entire world is going absolutely crazy and nobody is talking about money because that was the time when things really started getting scary. All of the information which is available in Germany regarding money, finances and so on, that is generally only available in German. So that expats who are living in Germany, for them there's very little information so that they can prepare themselves for different kind of scenarios. So that's how I started Brandevise, talking about anything which is related to money, finance, business, because I've been doing business now since almost more than 5 years. So everything just in one single place. Now, some of you might not be aware, I have another YouTube channel called Bharat in Germany, and that was the main channel I started back in 2017. That was the documentation of my entire journey of coming to Germany as a student and starting my German Masters program, because that was also something that not everybody was doing. They would come to Germany and they would study in English. I was like, okay, let me try the German programs. It worked out really well. And I just had all of that information again in one single place, and students were very happy with that. The channel grew and we have over 300,000 subscribers on that channel, and Brandevise, like you all see, it's still growing. On Bharat in Germany, we used to do meetups almost every single year. We did it in 2017, 18, 19, and then afterwards 2021 we couldn't do it because of the COVID crisis, and now we are doing it again in August. But at the same time, I also wanted to meet the community who is watching the Brandevise videos, the working professionals, the freelancers, business owners who are already living in Germany or around Germany in other EU countries, so that I can also meet you and get your story on this channel. The idea behind this is, I don't know if you have seen this, the Millennial Money series that is, I think, on CNBC or something. You just search Millennial Money and you will find a lot of videos for that. So the interesting part there is that there are stories of people who tell the audience how much they're making, how much they're spending, what kind of debts they have, how they're planning to work on that and so on. And sometimes you just come across some very interesting stories with how people, even with lesser money, are saving so much, and people who are making so much money are just saving so less. So this is the reason I'm making this video, so that maybe you want to be a part of this video series and you want to meet us and talk about a few things, and we can also in the meantime record these videos together. I don't think the video recording is going to take more than 1 or 2 hours because it's pretty straightforward format that we want to record, and I will share the format with you so that you can see what the idea behind that is. So every single video we are going to start with introduction, then we are going to talk about the main source of income, the expenses that you have, any kind of side hustles, part-time jobs, current place of stay, and the idea behind this is what is the size of your apartment, how much is the rent and so on, so that you can also show that a little bit. Self-care in life, there are also parts of these videos that you can record on your own. For example, if you're in the apartment or something and you're because most probably we'll be just meeting outside, so you can just record your own apartment and then you can send us the file and then we can have that together. Then afterwards, savings and investments, then financial goals and retirement plans, and any kind of final message you want to give to the audience. Now, this can actually turn out into a very interesting series. I am right now just calling it Living in Germany series, but I think it could be having a much better name. Maybe if you guys have some kind of ideas, you can write in the comments below. So we will be going throughout Germany. We start from Hamburg and the cities around it. We are not focused on any single city. I'm just talking about the major cities, and if you're living anywhere around it, it's not a problem at all. We can just come to you and we can meet you and we can record this entire episode. You don't have to do anything. We will have our cameraman, we will have a video editor, and he's going to take care of everything there. But maybe there are some parts of your house or something that you want to record that you can do on your own. So we'll be near Flensburg, Hamburg, then afterwards Bonn region, Stuttgart, Frankfurt, also Munich, and Dresden, Leipzig, Chemnitz, Berlin. So, and also Rostock. So it is going to be everywhere and we will not be essentially missing a place. So if you're really interested for this series and you want to be a part of this and maybe have a nice memory for yourself too on how you are living right now, and maybe how you would see yourself and how your future self would look at you and see, okay, you really changed things. Maybe that could be an interesting outcome of this entire video series too. So please let me know, fill out the form which is given in the description, and then afterwards we are going to be in touch with you. We are also asking for the contact number because when we are on the Germany tour itself, sometimes it just takes a lot of time to contact each other via emails. So that's why we have the contact number, so we can just directly write to you, and yeah, we can talk and arrange the minor things. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to meeting you in the Germany tour.